The reality is, today, kids are not taking field trips as often. Our state is over 400 miles across. It can take a lot of time, money, and resources to get here. So what we're doing is knocking down our walls to share what we have here at the State's Museum.
Our virtual field trips can bring students from all across the state of Nebraska here to Lincoln, to their Natural History Museum.
Hello, everyone. How are you guys doing?
We are live in the gallery, and it is not a green screen. We are actually in the galleries, so they actually are walking through the halls just as they would if they were actually here.
A lot of these kids do not have the opportunity to travel north to go to the UNL State Museum. So if we can bring that into the classroom, it's given them an opportunity they would not normally have.
Thank you.
Want to take your students on a journey? Have them interact with authors, astronauts, scientists, and other professionals? We know it's difficult to do these types of activities because of cost, location, or travel issues. It's just not feasible to jump on a bus and head to Lincoln or Omaha, let alone to another state or around the world to a different country. I'm Jason Everett, and I want to welcome you to another episode of EdTech Tips and Trips, where we'll be talking about interactive virtual field trips. We've linked several resources for you to help you get started, or give you an idea to enhance what you already might be doing in your classroom. Directories to VFTs, I'd like to highlight our Nebraska directory and Nebraska recommended providers at NVIS. If there's something else that you'd like to visit, CILC or SILC is your clearinghouse for just about everything else. Well, first you need to find a virtual field trip. Next, you'll sign up. Usually that consists of an online registration form. Once you get signed up, you'll get in contact with the provider, and that's really where the meat of things happens. The provider will have all the logistics, information, and anything else you need to know or prepare for before your virtual field trip. You may use desktop video conferencing software. Zoom has become the most popular for that, or you can use a distance learning cart that you may have in your building already. So you might be asking, is there a cost? Some virtual field trips do have fees associated with them. That may be to keep their programs going or for materials. However, many VFTs are free. If there happens to be a fee, a partnership between NDLA, NETA, and ESUCC has provided many grants for Nebraska teachers. I hope you get a chance to try virtual field trips. Make sure you take a look at the show notes for links, and if you have any troubles, give me a shout.